creations, Matt's custom creations. Watch 'em unbuild, watch 'em unbuild, watch 'em unbuild. Lego for you.
Hi, this is Matt, and in this episode, I'm going to do this battle bus in a couple of basic configurations. One will be intermediate and the other will be a little bit more advanced. What we're seeing now is version 1.0. It's equipped with dual anti-aircraft gun and a radar rangefinder. And here's the more traditional tank type turret if you need to take on another armored vehicle. And if you need to take on a battleship, here's this crazy OP over-the-top warship turret. The 1.0 version features this big hatch for the driver and crew to get out. Here's a view of the rear hatchway, and when it opens up, the troops and the supplies can come out. Here's a view of the underneath in the version 1.0, and it's basically pretty smooth. Here's the top, and the top without the turret. So we're going to go ahead and start unbuilding this guy. Here's that anti-aircraft turret. There's the tank turret, the bottom of it, there's the back of it, off of it. Here's that crazy battleship turret underneath of that. And with the front mantlet removed, you can see how it elevates. Okay, now we're going to take it apart. We're taking the top off. And you can see there's basically just two empty chambers. There's the top part, the mechanism. It has the front hatch and it has the big rear main hatch. It's all there. And you can slow this down even more to see the detail. All the parts for this, by the way, came out of the box that was donated by my subscriber Alex and his son Noah. Okay, so looking inside, there's really nothing there. I showed some pieces to suggest vents. I put hubcaps on just for a smooth look. I'm going to pop the bottom two floor pieces off here, and it's actually connected with the piece at the back. And you can see that this is really kind of designed that you can do anything with the interior. It's sort of a modular design. So knowing me, I can never leave well enough alone. So here's version 2.0. This one features a single barrel multi-purpose gun with a smaller turret that's remotely operated. And here's the back. And you can see I've extended the back because inside is a drone. Let's pull that drone out. And here it is unfolded. There's the bottom side and the back. And I revised the front to show a smaller hatch. Taking off the windshield, I've detailed the interior, and if you move the seats forward, you can see the suggestion of a hatchway to the middle compartment. And there you can see the dashboard and the steering wheel. And there's even kind of a ladder to get up to the hatch. So I got to thinking, you know, that drone was pretty cool, but what else could I put back there now that I've extended the area? I know. A battle buggy. So here it is, and you can see how the gun extends and swivels, traverses, depresses. So now that we have the front end doing something and the back doing something, how about the middle? Aha, an engine compartment. So this is what it looks like when the turret is at 90 degrees and the engine compartment lid is snugged up to it. There it is fully open, and now we close it. To separate the engine compartment from the cargo area, yet make it accessible, I put in a couple of access doors, seen here. And when you open them, there's the engine in the back, and you kind of see the turbocharger up there a little bit. And I also put in a little holder for a weapon. You can add benches or whatever you like back here.
You may have noticed a couple of protrusions on the back deck of version 2.1.
And the reason is to hold the drone up here. So here's what it looks like with the drone. And the battle buggy inside. Now we're going to unbuild this more advanced version, taking off the turret, the whole top. And here's how the top is different. It includes the doors, it's got the hinged engine compartment cover, it's got the other hinged pieces to hold the drone on. You notice that there's a central spine. Here's a good look at the engine. It's a Cummins turbo diesel, by the way. Yay, Cummins! And you can see some gauges. There's actually another gauge tucked in there. Here's the bottom view. You can see the engine is kind of floating in the middle. I hope you liked this battle bus, and if you did, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Thanks a lot, y'all. Bye!